Hello and welcome to another tutorial of VertexFX Client Terminal. Today, we will learn more about the advanced features of the VertexFX Client Terminal. Let's start by opening up the terminal. We will be covering advanced features such as closing all selected positions, hedge selected positions, and canceling selected orders. Let's start by opening a trade. I have opened a trade in buy, just like that, and I will close it with one click. By selecting the position and clicking on Closed Selected Position. Now let's close multiple trades using the same one-click feature. Start by selecting your positions and then click on Close Selected, just like that. Moving on, we will learn how to hedge selected positions. I will open a buy trade at a lot size of 0.01. To hedge the position, simply select it and click on Hedge Selected Position. As you can see, a sell trade at lot size 0.01 has opened. We can use the Canceling Selected Orders feature to cancel buy and sell limits from the pending orders, which will appear in the trading history panel below. You can manually select periods like the last day and last 2 days, and customize. Check the history date-wise, showing the details of our trades. You can also see the total trade by clicking on Trade here. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications.